Hello everyone, welcome to External Star channel. Today I received this box and I actually have not seen it yet, so let me now first really cut it with my scalpel. And I actually ordered something on eBay and it took about a week before I received it, and now I have it here. So I'm quite curious what this will be and how can I make sure that I really review it as soon as possible, because I was quite excited about this model already. Okay, so wow, we have a lot of chips here, the plastic chips, yeah, maybe you know them, a lot of them here, but I'm interested into the content here. So wow, nice. So let me now really check if there is something else. Yeah, sometimes I receive presents, but not this time. No present for me. Okay, good. So maybe you already know what it is. It's Mercedes-Benz AMG GT 63S 4Matic. Yeah, quite a long name, but you can believe me, this is one of the most powerful Mercedes-Benz cars. It's in a blue color, 1:18 scale, made by Norev, and somehow I originally thought that I would not buy it because it's not black, but then, you know, I was looking at this model also in reality to the real car, and I decided maybe it should be in my collection because it's really beautiful. And most importantly, it's 4 doors, yeah, so it's not just the regular AMG GT, which is 2-door, but this one really is with 4 doors, so also suitable for families where the parents have some money, yeah, which I am definitely not. So I'm only buying those little 1:18 scale models. So let me now cut it here. And remove it out of the box. Okay, so on this box you can see really here that it's Mercedes-Benz AMG GT 63S 4Matic in brilliant blue. So it's not just a regular blue, it's brilliant blue. Okay, so I expect this model will be really brilliant. Okay, it's licensed by Daimler AG and produced by Norev. Of course, it's produced in China like any other model in my collection, but under this license you have this license sticker from Mercedes-Benz. Okay, so now I think time to really take it out of the box, and I will do it very simply. Here, open it. I have the feeling that somebody already opened this box before me because I see some fingerprints, but let's give it a try. Maybe we will be really the first ones. Yeah, maybe not. I already see somebody manipulated with this. But let's get here the real stuff. Okay, so we always have gloves. Norev is really careful about those, so that's great. And usually we also get a screwdriver. And here, no, this is the case as well. So here we have a screwdriver, just in case you would not have one. If you are a starting collector, then probably you don't have it. But what is most important? The model here. Awesome, really awesome. Wow, the color. This is something. And this V8 biturbo or biturbo in English. This is really something. Okay, so wow, the model looks really excellent. I love this white interior, but maybe before we really go into reviewing this, let me use my own screwdriver, which is this one, the red one, which is really luxurious and made by LCD actually. But here, oh, maybe I would need something else. The next step now would be really to remove all those stickers here, and oh, where is my tool? Perfect, so let me do it now one by one. Okay, a lot of stickers Norev is placing there. Okay, so that was holding the hood. Now I will also need to remove here those two holding the trunk here. And actually we will be able to open all 4 doors. We will be able to open the trunk and also the engine hood. Okay. Nice. Okay, and 2 more. And we will be able to start the review finally. Good, so and 1 more sticker. Please bear with me. It's really time consuming, but I need to do that. Okay, so now finally I have fully unboxed this car. It's quite heavy, yes it is. It's full diecast, 1:18 scale, AMG GT, and it looks really great. Okay, so now let me take this camera here and start step by step reviewing all the features of this car. So yeah, let's start here in the front, because this is something really awesome. We have this Mercedes-Benz logo here, a smaller logo here, AMG license plate, but the grille is very nice, yeah, with those chrome stripes. This is really awesome. It looks so aggressive. Here we have the headlights, also with a nice inside. So we see the LED, I don't know if this is really LED or laser, guys, yeah, so, but they look really awesome. And then when we check from the side, then we have here the wheels, and you see the brake caliper, which is yellow. We see the brake disc and quite some nice wheels. But what is really nice here is this V8 biturbo 4Matic, which is really greatly done. This logo is awesome. Then we have the doors, and the gaps are not that big, maybe because this car is blue, yeah? If this was white, maybe it would be visually larger, but really no significant gaps. And also here, this frame is really aligned in one line and nicely done. Yeah? So I like this framing. There is also here the sunroof. Here the rear light exactly the same as in the front. And then we have quite nice rear of the car. Here, maybe let me zoom in again. AMG, this Mercedes-Benz logo, and here we see a little bit of glue. Yeah, so yeah, maybe it's not that perfectly done. But then we see this GT63S, again quite nice, and license plate saying AMG, the reverse lights, and of course 4 exhausts here. Yeah, this is also nicely done. So overall, also the color of this car, this is really pretty, very much pretty. And yeah, so that's actually the car. And now what I would like to do is also to show you the interior. So for that purpose, I will now open everything what is possible. First I will start with the engine. Open the engine bay here, and of course we will be able to check it in details. Then I will also be able to open here the trunk. Wow, it doesn't hold in the upper position. It looks almost like if the hinges are missing or something. Yeah, so this is not really great. No, I mean, this is the first part where I would give some minus points, because I would expect that this one would be also holding up, but when I just leave it, it goes down. Okay, so now let me also check the doors. That looks okay. I can open all 4 of them. And before we really go to the review of the interior, I will also check the suspension here. Wow, suspension is working, and in the back also it's working. Yeah? So this is really awesome. One more time. Wow, great attention to details here. So suspension fully working, and I'm glad for that because I love when this suspension is working. Now let me also show you here the undercarriage. So yes, we see this Norev, some pipes here. Yeah, it's not that bad, I would say. It's not completely flat. We have also the suspension, as I said, we have the springs there. That's nice. But this this is the only problem here. Yeah, so definitely not 10 out of 10, but maybe it will. I will give it really a high rating. Let's see later. Okay, good. So now we have opened it, and now we need to also check what is really there. So here, the engine bay and this AMG 6, is it 6.3 liters? Now I'm not sure. This is the 63 version. So I will give you the specification now. Yeah, and it looks really awesome with some details here. And there is also this additional blue part, and not really typical. And then when we go, maybe first here the trunk. Yeah, so as I said, maybe some hinges are missing here. Something is not really okay, but the trunk is actually quite huge. Nice carpeting, very soft and nice color. We have also here this cover to protect it. Yeah, we have the protecting metallic pieces, a nice chrome. So this is okay. Yeah, so now when I close it, because it's not really working, maybe here also the gap here is quite significant. Yeah, so I can't really fully close it somehow. Look at that. Yeah, so maybe this is the only flaw here really with this trunk. It's not perfect. The rest is so far so good. Let me check also the seats. We have everywhere this carpeting, very nice seats, actually very comfortable. It's only for 4 people, 4-seater, because here in the middle, in the second row, there is this middle console with all different buttons. Maybe there is a coffee holder, and it reminds me I need to drink a little bit of coffee. Good. In the front, actually, also some nice details, like I will show you this AMG. This looks nice. Here we have carpeting again, nice air conditioning ventilators. The inside of the door, this is making me happy. So you see here how the doors look like. Yeah, this is really fantastic. We also see here the speakers, which are really nicely done. Also the seat controls, the handle, door handle, everything here is really precise. I must admit, I also like the frameless windows. So as you can see, there is no frame here, like on all sports cars, and they also replicated it quite nicely. Yeah, of course you can't really manipulate this, you can't pull it out or down, but at least it's nicely done. Okay, so now on the other side, on the passenger, on the driver's seat, you see the pedals there, the steering wheel. I will zoom in to show you actually a little bit more of those details. Yeah, so we have nice display here, the steering wheel with all the buttons. We have the middle console, also nicely done, yeah, and this AMG logo here, carpeting, it's really nice. Yeah, so the interior, in my opinion, is one of the greatest, and Norev is always paying so much attention to the interior. This is incredible, and this is why I love Norev. Yeah, so it's Diecast, 360 access, all the features are here, suspension working. is just awesome. Maybe can we also pull this up? No. So this is static, yeah, so you can't really do anything with this sunroof. But okay, it doesn't really matter because the model is really awesome. I love it, and once again, it's really one of the greatest models that I had reviewed so far. So as I said, don't worry if it's not black. Also this beautiful, brilliant blue color, it's really great and it's looking awesome. So this model is almost perfect. The only issue here is with the trunk, with this fifth door, which is not really holding in the upper position. But other than that, this car, I would say it's perfect. It's a perfect model for a perfect price. Yeah. So once again, I paid something like, I don't know, 120 euro, something like that, which is not that high. Yeah. So really a great price for what you are getting. It's a smart choice, and also there are not so many more available. I also saw some white pieces, but most of them were blue, but almost all of them are already sold out, and I think this will be later one of the models which is really desired by all the model car collectors, and this is why I have it, because I want to buy it now, not 5 years later when they get excessively overpriced, yeah, on eBay and so on. So now, yeah, I pay the original price. Great. So I hope you enjoyed this review and showcase of this new model in my collection. Stay tuned, there will be more to come, and now only time for a final rating. So thanks again for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.